welcome back to a new series, actually. So, not welcome back. Welcome to Zach's cooking show, I guess. We will be showing you guys how to make a homemade pancake. And so, let's start. So we have a cup of flour that we're gonna put in the mixer. Right. And then we have 1/4 cup of sugar, which we'll put in here. We have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now that we put those in, let's mix up the dry ingredients. Let's grab this real quick. Okay. Yeah. Should have hit that up beforehand. There we go. And we are going to just do a 1. Nice, stir it up. Make sure it's all stirred. Shouldn't take too long. Probably enough. Okay, and then we're going to go on to our wet ingredients. Well, we will have 1 egg right here. And then we have 1 cup of milk. And then we'll mix it. And if I can, I will try to put the recipe in the comment section. And I'm going to try to get that to work because you guys couldn't comment on any of them. See, this is a very small batch of pancakes too. So, you know, see this? It's good. Alright, wait for this to drip. And we already have the grill nice and warm. And let's see this. Hit that off. Put it over here. Put it in the sink. Then we will be scooping with this. Something you eat. And for all of the cup stuff, you can just use 1/4 or 1/2 or never mind. So we're gonna get a good scoop here.
Go to your other side of your stove.
Yeah, the other side,
yeah,
alright.
yeah, like that.
Okay. Get it a little bit bigger. Okay. And then we're going to cook another one. If you don't like pancakes, I don't know why you're here. Yeah. Get those sizzling. Wait for them to cook. See, I'm not sure if you can see from there, but you can maybe see my dad a little bit, but there is bubbles, and you want to wait for them to get a lot of bubbles, kind of. Just bubbles to come up and pop. So this one has a lot more bubbles than that one. We'll be back.
When it cooks.
seem ready to be flipped. Let's see. Yeah, they're nice and ready to be flipped. Flip them over. Flip them over, cook them. And if you want anything like oats, you can add those. Chocolate chips. Then you know what I'm talking about. You can add chocolate chips, you know, whatever you want to it. And we might do a chocolate pancake mix. So we'll start doing some good desserts. Cake, pancake. We started off with a small cake. And let's see here if it's, no, it's not all right. Cook those a little bit longer. And well, can I have a plate? See, just get me a plate. I'll use the force. Perfect. Take these off. Move them over. I think you could cook them a little bit longer than that on the other side, but it works. Turn this off. Safety first. And there you have it. You have your pancakes. Put some syrup on those, butter syrup. You're set. Thank you for coming to Zach's Shack. Goodbye.